Kia ora, this is Off Grid Native. Today we're doing a video on grey water. That's using your wastewater, making your wastewater work for you. Every time I wash the dishes, one of the gardens gets watered. We're going to show you a video how to do that. The grey pipe is my 40mm wastewater pipe with a connector to a 40mm alkathene pipe. The pipe must all run downhill so it doesn't backfill your sink. All of the holes are drilled on top of the pipe so that they do not fill with food and the water can run freely. The pipe is then buried in the garden bed. It is important to have enough holes drilled into your pipe so that the water doesn't backfill your sink, causing it to overflow. Another really important part is to have a plug in the end. You can release this plug to let any food that has been put down the drain come out. This is really important, as if you don't have this, the holes will get clogged with food. This is a great way to feed a hungry fruit tree.
Why you go out and water your garden if you can get something else to do it for you? Kia ora. If you enjoyed that, like it, subscribe, join the channel.